What's up, everybody? It's your boy Devin Harris, aka I Got the Keys. Today, I wanted to make this really short video on my overall progression through Real Estate Express. I've recently had to take post course or post licensing classes. I needed to take about 25 hours to go ahead and keep my license active here in the state of Georgia. I wanted to give you guys a general idea of what Real Estate Express sort of looks like. I can't exactly show you the course material. I will give you access to the course itself and just give you a general idea of what to expect whenever you do purchase this course. A lot of you are finding ways to make a little bit more money here in 2021. Real estate industry has been booming ever since this pandemic, especially, has been going last year. So I think a lot of us are finding ways to sort of make a little bit more money. And there's a lot of people such as myself out here showing you and really sort of convincing you to go ahead and hop into the real estate industry. There's millions of houses in neighborhoods, down the street from you where you live today. So it sort of makes sense to sort of tap into that mining field, more or less. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys, give you guys a little bit of an idea of what to expect once you do purchase the courses through Real Estate Express. Of course, if you like anything, if you learn anything new on this particular video, go ahead and press that like button below. If you have any questions or concerns regarding how to access Real Estate Express, or if you have any general questions regarding real estate, the real estate industry in general, you can always do what everyone else does and leave a comment below. Look your boy up on Instagram. My handler on Instagram is _ I Got the Keys. Looks just like this right here. And as always, guys, if you like the video and if you want more in regards to real estate processes and business processes, go ahead and press that subscribe button for more. All right, let's get it. I got the keys. All right, let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen like I always do. I say this every time my videos, it's crazy. I've gone over and looked at a lot of my videos and I say these same exact things, but here, I'm going to go ahead and just knock this out really quick. It's going to be a really quick video for you guys. And again, the purpose of this video is to give you guys a general idea of my overall progression. I know a lot of you are looking into Real Estate Express. I've seen the trends on Google, so I went ahead and just made these couple videos. Also, before I dive in too deep, if you guys, if you haven't signed up already, don't forget to use my link below. You'll get a special discount using that link. Okay, that's since I'm an affiliate, you'll get a little discount and you'll help me out as well as far as trying to progress through this platform. Nevertheless, I'm going to go ahead and show you just my overall progression. I'm also going to give you guys a general idea of what the course looks like once you do purchase it. All right, so let's go ahead and get signed in. So I'm going to type in Real Estate Express up at the top here, just like that. Real Estate Express. Cool. Then I'm just going to enter in through the website here. All of you guys probably already know what this looks like, right? So I'm going to sign in. I think I'm already signed in. Cool. So when you buy the course, it'll sort of look like this, right? It'll show you whenever you do get logged back into the dashboard, it'll show you what options you have available. Me, I have my most recent option here for the post-license course. It's about 25 hours and I'm about 73% through it. Now I'm going to show you when I purchased this, just to give you guys a general idea of how long it's taking me to sort of get through this process, right? So I spent exactly 1 day in the course. This is over the multiple days of a few hours here and there, right? I enrolled on the 4th, and looking at our calendar, the 4th of March was literally about not even 2 weeks ago, right? So this is the 4th, today's the 15th. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's taken me about a week and 5 days to get through 73% of the course itself, right? So just as I hope that sort of answers a lot of your questions regarding how long does it take to get through the process. Of course, it'll take a lot longer if you have the 60-hour course. If you haven't even received your license yet, this is your first time going through everything, and you're really taking this course to get your real estate license. It's going to take a little bit longer, but there's ways around it at which you don't have to spend a tremendous amount of time to knock this course out. Anyway, let's go ahead and open the course up really quick. Right, so you're going to see this little this preliminary introduction prior to logging into the course. You'll have an assigned instructor, and I think most of this is remote. So in the event you guys have any questions or any concerns, you actually do have someone to speak with So I think a lot of people are afraid to go through or take courses online because they're under the impression there's no one to speak with. But no, Real Estate Express sets you up tremendously all the way to the T. There's people you can speak with in the event you run into any questions or concerns. Furthermore, there's people like me out here who sort of create a way for all of us, diving into this particular course to have a little group discussion and sort of figure out how to do things and answer a lot of unanswered questions, right? So I'm just going to scroll down here. All this does is sort of like if you've gone to college or even most of us going through high school, you have some sort of syllabus. Here's the syllabus for this particular course. Again, there's a good possibility I'm going to blank some of this out whenever I do post a video, because I'm almost certain I can't show you exactly what's in the course itself. So I just want to avoid any issues that I would possibly run into down the road, right? Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and get into the good stuff. I'm going to open up the course here, right? And I'm just going to go through some of these things extremely fast. All I'm doing is wanting to show you basically how the course is broken down, and really how do I go through the course myself, right? So I'm gonna skip the quiz, right? I'm gonna hit continue. I'm just gonna show you basically what I do to get through the chapters. Simply put, because I'm a quick learner, but I don't like to take too much time reading. So what I simply do is I'll skim through each of the chapters just like this. Right? Skim through each of the chapters. Right? Just skimming through just like this. Right? Until I get all the way to the quiz. Furthermore, there's summaries at the end of each chapter. So in the event you want, again, if you don't want to read, they do a pretty decent job summarizing the chapters in general, right? And all I'll do is simply take the quizzes that they have available, right? Until I go through each of so I'll go through the quiz, and there's a good chance I'll get a good bit of the questions wrong, right? And that's okay, right? So what I do once I go through the quiz and I see all of my correct answers and my incorrect answers, I pretty much study what is the correct answer, and then I'll just simply go back and retake the quiz again, right? That's pretty much what I do throughout for all of the quizzes. I'm gonna try to close this and reopen it. I don't really want to take the quiz quite yet because I wasn't prepared to do so. And again, I'm not gonna show you guys too much. Again, just for the safety of the video and for the safety of my license, I'm not gonna show you what they're actually offering or the questions and the quizzes, or furthermore what they're offering the courses itself. But I just want to give you guys a general idea of what to expect once you do purchase the course again. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up one more time for you here. Hopefully I'm not in the middle of that question. Perfect. So it knocked me back out. So again, I'm going to go back to the chapters. In this particular course, I have about 29 chapters I have to go through prior to knocking out that final exam, right? And once I do complete the final exam here, it's going to be proctored, and I'll get my 25 hours sent over to the Georgia Real Estate Commission, right? So they're really this course is really detailed. There's a lot of information given to you in regards to learning about whatever they're offering in their chapters. This is just serving, this video is just really serving to give you guys a general idea of what to expect when you do get the course. I think it's a really quick way for you to sort of, go ahead and knock out all of this good stuff. You don't have to go into an actual physical location to take a real estate class. You can avoid COVID. You can avoid all of those awkward conversations with people you don't really even want to talk to for real. And personally, for me, it's beneficial because I have a lot of work to do outside in the field. And so me being able to go at my own pace and complete the course by myself without having to wait on the instructor, I think this is extremely beneficial. Furthermore, they even offer exam preps. So let's say that you wanted to sort of have a little bit more material to study. You could always add in exam preparation to prepare yourself for your exam. Yeah. All right, that's it, guys. All right, guys, that's all I had in regards to my overall progression with Real Estate Express. Again, I just wanted to show you guys what the course sort of looks like once you do purchase this particular program through Real Estate Express. Again, I hope I was able to familiarize yourself or give you just a brief general idea of what to expect once you do purchase the program. Again, if you have any questions or concerns regarding how to access the course, or if you have any questions in particular before purchasing that course, go ahead and hit your boy up. Again, there's plenty of opportunity to ask your questions here below, beneath the video in the comment section. Or as always, you can you can find me on Instagram, and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions or concerns you have regarding this course through Real Estate Express, or any other questions you have in a general aspect in regards to the real estate industry. Okay. All right, guys, I appreciate your time. As always, if you liked the video, if you want to learn more, go ahead and hit that like button below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe for more in regards to real estate or business processes. I'll see you next time. I got the keys.